Hello everyone, and thank you for joining us tonight. My name is Lauren with the Coffee Cake Quilt Company, and tonight I have the Quilty Box for September 2020, and I know that I'm super late. I'm literally a month late with this box, but let me explain something to you. I had purchased this box August 2nd. That's when it hit my credit card, and then I waited, and I was like, oh, it's still not here. And then by like the third week of the month of September, and then like the fourth week of the month of September, I was like, it's okay. The toilet box was late too, and so maybe this one's also just late. Anyway, so I waited until the end of the month. I gave Quilty Box the whole month and it never came. And so I did contact customer service, and they were like super quick turnaround. I mean, within 48 hours, I had a personal phone call from Paducah saying, what can we do for you? What's the problem? Let's get this solved. It was really great customer service, and they got my box out that day, if not that day, the next day, and I did get my box within a few days. So it's just been kind of sitting around. I've been busy. Plus you guys have already seen all the other unboxings, I'm sure. So it's not like, you know, it's like a hot item that you guys want to see like right now. Anyway, but I didn't want to let my subscribers down. So if you still want to see this month's box, we're going to do that right now. On top of our box, we always get the Bundles of Inspiration magazine, and this has the pattern on the front. And I'm sorry, I guess I could wait until the end to show this to you, but I'm just going to show this to you now. So this is the pattern. You do get a message from the CEO, Jake. You do get the box contents. This is the Classic Quilty Box, and it does tell you the item prices for each item that's in the box. And there also is the list of English paper piecing. There is an English paper piecing box that I do not get, maybe sometime in the future. And so basically the Classic Quilty Box that I have here is $48 per month. Shipping is free, so you don't have to worry about that. And if you want to do a 3-month subscription, it is $46. 6 month is $45, and 12 months is $44. So you do get savings as you subscribe for longer and longer. All right, so after that, we have the fabric designer, Leslie Tucker Jenison of Wishwell. And I'll go ahead and get to her fabric later. Oh my gosh, you didn't even see her face. Anyway, this is Leslie, I'm sorry. And she has designed this fabric for us. This is the pattern that we get. Okay, this one is called Shattered. It features the Warehouse District fabric from the Wishwell collection by Leslie Tucker Jenison. It does measure 49 inches by 59 inches. There's actually 3 patterns in the Bundles of Inspiration this month. So the next one is Stained Glass Mosaic. So take a look at that. Now it says this one measures 20 inches by 20 inches, but I'm sure you could make it larger if you wanted to. I'm a big fan of large quilts, not wall hangings. And then our last pattern is called Cove Quilt. And that's another really easy beginner-friendly quilt. Okay. And it looks like our subscriber spotlight is Kristen Phillips. Now I think I actually saw this, I saw Kristen on YouTube when she did the Tula Pink unboxing. So that's pretty neat. All right. And then a sneak peek, we're going to have batiks in the October box. This is Jackie Kunkel. Okay, and that's it. All right, let's go ahead and see what's in the box. I feel like I'm just going to keep ranking these boxes as I open them. I always save like the fabric for last because people want to see the fabric, but instead I'm going to go ahead and rank the items from my least favorite to my most favorite. All right, let's go ahead and do that. Our first item is the fabric. This is Warehouse District. This is Warehouse District Fabric Bundle for Robert Kaufman. This does retail for $30. And there are 8 fat quarters in here. So I don't know, I can't really ask you guys, I haven't seen this video yet. I was gonna say, do you want me to open them to show you? But I'll just do this, this is fine. Let's see here. Kind of reminds me of like graffiti. I don't know, I'm just not a fan. I like either like big, bright, bold prints like Allison Glass or Tula Pink or Juicy Juice. Either that, or I like really sweet, soft prints like Fig Tree & Co. or Lori Holt. So I'm kind of stuck in those 2 genres, I guess. This doesn't really do anything for me. All right, so there's the fabric for this month. Next is our Wonderful Thread. All right, this is, it just looks like white. This is 50 weight, 200 meters of Egyptian cotton white thread, and this retails for $4.99. Next are the quilting gloves here. These are Machingers, okay, so apparently you pronounce them a certain way. It tells you on the back, Machingers. Okay, and these do retail for $8.95. And there's actually a guide that tells you what size you need. And let's see. These aren't going to fit me because I would need a medium large, but that's okay. I actually already have quilting gloves that I use anyway from Amazon. They're purple, which just makes them 100 times better. I mean, they're purple. And then they have like grippies on the underside, which is perfect for my quilt top so it doesn't slide around. I will go ahead and link the link to those below from Amazon if you want to check them out if you're in need of new gloves. Our final item are these mini magic clips. This is my favorite item for this month's box. Let's see who these are by. These are by Taylor Seville Originals. These do retail for $8.98, and it looks like you get 6 clips. So basically the whole concept is that you can leave these clips in and you can sew right over them. So look, if you can see the diagram. So your foot is just going right over the pin, they're clips, not necessarily the needle. So that's really great. I don't know if you guys ever took like a sewing class and the teacher's like, you can sew over pins, and then you sew over a pin your first time and it's just like, you know, sends a needle flying into your eye. I don't know why they tell you that's okay. It's not okay, and you will clip a needle and it doesn't feel that great when it hits you. All right, so don't do that. These clips would be a lot better and a lot safer. All right, so let's go ahead and add up the contents of this month's box. So the total for this box was $53. That's how much the contents totaled. And I did spend $48 for this box. Remember, free shipping. So we made out a little bit. That's like $5. I think that's pretty consistent with boxes in months prior. So thank you so much for joining me tonight. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. We'd love to keep doing these unboxings for you. And this is like my 3rd video, and I'm about to go up and actually relax, because I know I said I would relax in like the last video, but I never actually went up and relaxed. I was like, I'll just do the last video. It's okay. Anyway, I hope to see you guys soon. I know that the next Quilty Box is literally coming out within like a week and a half, hopefully, unless I have to call again. I really hope not. But I hope to have that for you guys very soon. So I'll see you until next time. Bye.